What's up, guys? It's Mike over at REV6, and this is for the Kawasaki KRX 1000, guys. We have the complete line of our engine rebuild kits available now for the KRX 1000s. These kits are designed to save you money and get you guys back out on the trail faster. Today we're going to do a complete breakdown of our KRX 1000 engine rebuild kits. This is going to be a majority of the parts that we offer, but this is not the full extent. This is just a small sample of the parts that we actually offer here. But we've got essentially with our rebuild kits, you're going to have your upgraded REV6 pistons. We're going to have our forged crankshaft connecting rod assemblies. You're going to have all the main bearings. We've got our upgraded manganese nickel bronze valve guides that don't contract and expand like the factory guides do. Timing guides, chains, seals, gaskets. Got everything from our master kits to our complete kits. We got our upgraded REV6 pistons they come with, which are going to have better expansion rates than factory. A machine smooth top, moly coating and everything. They are high soaker content pistons. They got better expansion rates than factory as well. We've got our forged connecting rods, crankshaft assemblies ready to roll. So the crankshafts that we offer on these, they are a forged crankshaft assembly. They are trued, ready to roll. We've got everything from our complete gasket set seals. We got all the timing guides, wall pup assemblies, pretty much everything you need to do a complete reman on that motor. Our KRX 1000 engine rebuild kits are built by techs specifically for techs like you that want to do the work at home. Just about everything you need to get your engine back together. For you KRX 1000 guys that just want to get back out on the trail, give us a call or visit our website at rev6sports.com.